Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you the 8 best Canva alternatives for graphic design. Are you looking for other alternatives to Canva? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are in visme.com in their blog, and we are looking at 8 other alternatives for Canva. If you're looking for an alternative, this is a good video to watch. So the first alternative is, by all means, Visme. Visme is a graphic design tool that goes beyond what you'd expect from a regular tool. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, easy to use, and packed with features. With Visme, you can create professional and attractive presentations, infographics, social media graphics, and more. It's a robust Canva alternative for users looking for an all-in-one design tool. So you go to Visme, right? You can sign up for free. It says here your all-in-one platform for creating presentations, documents, data visualizations, videos, and other branded content. And as you can see here, what will you create with Visme? So you have documents, data visualizations, videos, social media graphics. As you see, click try for free. Let it load for a bit. As you can see here, you can sign in, right? Sign in with Google most of the time. Used by 19 million people in businesses like yours. So if you look at templates, right? Let's go to templates. Let's go to social media graphics. Let's look at it. So you already have Facebook ads, right? Let's preview this. As you can see, there are different formats too. Nutrition guide, Facebook ad. The different types, right? So you have Facebook. Yep, let's go to Twitter. Ads. There you go. So that's Visme. If you want to see the pricing, just click on pricing. Let's see what it has. So you have free. For free, you have 100 MB of storage, templates and designs, assets limited, most templates, regular support. Starter, you have 12.25 per month. And this is the annual, right? And you can get 6 months for free if you go with the annual plan. And Pro is 24.75, which is very, in my opinion, good deal. So that's Visme. Adobe Express. Adobe Express, formerly known as Adobe Spark, is an online Adobe tool. What is going on? So, no. Online Adobe tool for quick graphic design. So it's definitely not Photoshop or Illustrator, but as one of the best alternatives to Canva, it does the job quite well. The interface is clean and simple, and the onboarding to new projects is streamlined. You can create social media and graphics in most of the common sizes. So if you look at this, right, this is pretty much the interface. And yeah, that's Adobe Adobe Express, right? And then we go to number 3, which is Design Wizard. As you can see, Design Wizard is an easy-to-use Canva alternative for creating static graphics or short videos. So Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook. So tool offers templates for most social media assets, plus some documents and presentation-style projects. And you can see this is pretty much their UI, right? Who is it for? Design Wizard is for people who need to design simple visuals assets without going too deep in the technicalities. And the pricing, Design Wizard offers free plans, 1 free and 2 paid. The basic plan is free with pay as you go features. So it's a good choice if you're just starting out and experimenting. The paid plans are, the Pro is $9.99 a month, and the Business is $49.99 a month, which is it's fairly priced. Number 4 is Easel. Easel is a kind of alternative with fresh and vibrant templates The most popular are the Instagram stories and other common social media sizes. Depending on the subscription that you are, there are more and more templates available for use. As an alternative to Canva, it does the job quite well. The editor has a considerable amount of design elements to work with. The most notable is the long list of shape masks. There are also icons, illustrations, patterns, and images. So this is a very simple uh, UI, right? So who is it for? Users that need mostly social media visuals and blog related graphics. So blogs, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, so on and so forth. Uh, Plus is 750 a month. Edge is 59 a month. Enterprise is custom pricing, so it's a bit more. Um, it's a bit pricier. Number five is Snappa, which we have tackled. Snappa's graphic design templates only cover sizes for social media channels and blog graphics. It is a bit more limited, but still a good alternative to Canva. Apart from those, there are no templates for business-related graphics like business or documents. Nevertheless, Snappa is still a good alternative to Canva. The editor is simple and clean. The design elements include icons, vectors, photos, and a simple set of shapes. And there are no animation features, so you can make GIFs. So who is it for? Snappa is mostly directed to social media marketers and bloggers. The buffer integration for social media scheduling is a big pull for the market. The pricing, Pro is $15 a month. Team is $30 a month. It's very cheap, very easy to use. It's more simplistic. Again, it lacks a lot of what Canva can do, but it's still good. So, right. Tool number 6 is Vista Create. Vista Create, formerly known as Prelo, is a powerful contender to Canva. This tool has a large number of templates in many styles and formats, from social media to print and marketing assets. So as you can see here, it looks like Canva. If you've been to Canva, you're gonna see the menu on the left, and like here, it's very Canva-like. So if you use Canva, Vista Create is a good alternative just because of like it's pretty much identical of how you use it. And then number 7. Number 7 is Stencil. Stencil is a very simple graphic design tool with limited features. The main idea with Stencil is to use a background image and put text over it. There are some simple icons and shapes to add to design. The editing features for what they offer are easy to use. Unfortunately, there are no animation and interaction, so it's kind of like Snappa. And as you can see here, this is what you work with. You know, they again, if you use Canva, you're gonna be familiar with using Stencil because it's pretty much the same thing, like the earlier one. And then last but not the least is PicMonkey by Shutterstock. PicMonkey is one of the most robust alternatives to Canva apart from Visme. There are plenty of templates to choose from, but PicMonkey is one of the best tools for creating from scratch. The editor has a large selection of design tools to work with. The most notable of all the editing features is the photo retoucher. It does a lot of what Photoshop can do, but it's easier to use. So this is very beginner friendly or newbie friendly. You don't need to have like experience in graphic design to use this. And if you see, this is pretty much what you work with, right? Menus on the left as well, and then you have different, ways of editing the whole thing. Pricing $7.99 a month, which is pretty cheap. Pro is $12.99 a month, still cheap. This is $23 per month, and you have 7 days free trial for the first 2 tiers. So basically, premium and pro. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next.